This week, residents across parts of England, Wales, and Scotland should brace for a significant cold snap, with snowstorms predicted to make their way across the UK. A new yellow weather warning has been issued, particularly affecting 12 major towns and cities, with heavy snowfall expected to blanket these areas starting this Thursday, January 30th. As the UK heads into February, temperatures are predicted to drop considerably, leading to icy conditions and potential disruptions. Among the cities likely to experience snowfall are Bath, Birmingham, Bristol, Coventry, Exeter, Gloucester, Hereford, Manchester, Plymouth, Stoke-on-Trent, Wolverhampton, and Worcester. These locations are anticipated to see flurries beginning Thursday, with snow forecasts based on data from WX Charts and MetDesk. However, the arrival of this winter weather won't be without its complications. According to the Met Office, the UK is already experiencing severe weather, and the conditions are expected to worsen as the week progresses. Before the snow hits, there are warnings of strong winds, heavy rainfall, and thunderstorms. Met Office Chief Meteorologist Frank Saunders reported that a low-pressure system has brought severe winds and storms across southern parts of the UK, especially on Sunday. The system is expected to linger into Monday and Tuesday, causing continued disruption. Strong winds, possibly reaching 60 to 70 miles per hour, are predicted near the southwest coast, with gusts of around 50 miles per hour further inland. These extreme winds are likely to exacerbate the cold snap, making it feel much colder than it actually is. The wintry weather doesn't stop there. Along with snow, areas could experience additional hazards such as hail, lightning, and freezing rain, all contributing to hazardous road conditions. So drivers are advised to take extra care on the roads, particularly in the south and southwest of the UK, where these extreme conditions are more likely to occur. By Thursday, after the snow arrives in cities like Manchester and Plymouth, the weather will shift. While much of the south remains dry and sunny, the northern regions, including Scotland, will continue to face heavy snowfall throughout the day. This brief period of snowfall will be followed by a dry spell, with some areas experiencing patches of freezing fog. It's important for everyone to stay informed and prepare for possible disruptions, especially if you live in one of the affected cities. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or simply trying to get through the day, these winter storms could make travel difficult and dangerous. So stay safe, keep an eye on weather updates, and take extra precautions as the snow and ice begin to settle across the UK this week. Stay subscribed for more videos.